Okay, I'm going to start the film back over. This is my homemade lockpick set that I made out of windshield wiper inserts. I learned it from watching Bosnian Bill on Lock Lab here on YouTube. I did thin this down with a file. As you can see the difference there. It's a way extended, I had to bend this, and using this, I was putting this in the top of the keyway, the short end, and picking it the European style, holding it like this. But now I got a real professional set from Sparrows. I'm going to start trying to do this the right way. I'm going to try to hold the camera here with my chin. Hopefully I'm filming. And I'm going to put this here at the top of the keyway. Take my Bogota. Boom. 3 seconds. A master lock is opened. Ain't that something, with a real professional pick set and a Bogota. I tell you, I've been wanting to hold a Bogota since I first seen these on video, watching Bosnian Bill and Lapnoog and Lockpick Lawyer. I watched Lockpick Gal the other day. She just subscribed to my channel. She had some interesting picks, and then the other guy that subscribed to my channel, no key entry or keyless entry. He got a real cool pick sent to him there in Australia. These are my first professional lock picks, and he saw 3 seconds to open this. Oh my God. And that was with the Bogota right here. I am thrilled to have my first professional set, and really I'm going to dive into the lock sport, and I will post a lot more videos. Alright, love you guys, and I'll have more up for you soon.